How do you think and feel about yourself? How do you think and feel about your past, present, and future? How realistic are you being? People who have a positive outlook on their life and their capabilities tend to be healthier and happier. Positive thinking is the ability to approach life's challenges with a positive perspective. It involves attempting to see the good in a difficult situation, trying to see the best in people, and viewing yourself in a positive light. There are many advantages to looking at your life through a positive lens and focusing your attention on things that are good. On the other hand, individuals who struggle with negative thoughts tend to have a more depressed mood. People with depression get caught in a dangerous spiral where depression leads to negative thinking and negative thinking makes them even more depressed. Depression can cause people to filter the world through negative thoughts to the point that it can distort reality and their overall outlook on life. Before you can control your self defeating thoughts, you first have to recognize them. Here are common negative thoughts people experience. Black and white thinking. This is when you see situations and yourself in extremes, such as excellent or horrible. You feel that you have to be perfect or you are a total failure. There is no middle ground. Catastrophizing. This is when you automatically anticipate the worst. You exaggerate your current experience or predict that something bad is going to happen. Discounting the positive. This is when you minimize, ignore, and devalue your positive qualities and attributes and magnify the negative ones. Should statements. This is when you think in terms of should, ought, or must. This type of thinking is when you frequently remind yourself of things you should have done or must do. As a result, you feel disappointment, guilt, and shame. Here are some examples of negative self-talk. Here are ways to reframe this type of negative thinking. Once you become more aware of your negative thoughts, you can identify areas of your life that you typically think negatively about, whether it is work or your relationship with your family. Stop and evaluate what you are thinking. If negative thoughts enter your mind, respond with something good about yourself or the situation. Remember to be gentle and encouraging with yourself. Practicing positive thinking will help you handle everyday stress in a more constructive way and increase your mood. Having a positive state of mind will not only promote healing from depression, but also living a happier life.